Okay, welcome back to Uptake Online. Today I want to show you what we are going to have in this webinar end of month July. So we shall build with you a dashboard like this that is so interactive with all the interactivity, the filters, where you're free to share with your team and they can interact with your dashboard with ease. Here filtering 90 days, 30 days, 1 year. And on top of that, it has drill downs that if I click on home and kitchen, it will open a dialog box that has all the details for home and kitchen and even the transactions that populate to that. So join us end of this month, free webinar that we shall build with you this just in Lovable. Changing data in a spreadsheet like this, which is connected online, that you can update it and it automatically updates your dashboard wherever it is shared to. And with a few prompts, we shall run that together to make sure that we make life easy. You don't need any tool, you don't need to know how to code. All the coding is done directly by Lovable, and your bit is just to learn how to speak to it, how to prompt, and how to create such nice dashboards. So join our channels, follow us, such that you can get an update by the end of this week on how you can register and how you can book your spot. There are limited spots that we shall need to have few people on that webinar, not more than 50. So the earlier you register, the earlier you have the spot cleared. Otherwise, go to Subtech Online, subscribe. We shall be posting more updates there. Then you can also find us on our LinkedIn channel platform. We have a community on WhatsApp. Join that community. It's where all the updates are shared every morning. Otherwise, have yourselves a great day. Bye.